Okay guys, so we're going to look at changing the base of our log, right? So let's look at the law first, right? So it says that if you have log of n to base b, we could change that to log of n to base a over log of b to base a. Now that base a, you could choose whatever you want that base a to be. 25, 16, 45, 99, 63, whatever you want, right? Now, in order to know what you're changing it to, it's basically what your question is asking. Now, say for example, they ask you to work out some kind of question, and throughout the question there is like base 5 and you have like a base 2 somewhere. You might want to bring all the bases to the same thing. We will explain that later as we go along, so don't get yourself too confused with that, right? If it's not that situation where you have like a big question to work out and it's just that they want you to evaluate these things here, for example this one, let me say ask you to evaluate this, or I've asked you to evaluate this, you could choose whatever base you want, right? But the safer base to use would be either base e or base 10, right? When we are asking you to solve anything, or to express anything anyhow, we just want the direct answer for this, right? So either you use base e or you use base 10, you're going to get the same answer, right? So I'm going to show you. So let's use base 10 first for this one. So we're going to get log, so I still put in the 10, right? Although we understand that LG is 10, base 10, right? So log of 3 to base 10 over log of 5 to base 10, right? So you could write it like that. That 10 could be any number, but we say the safer number to use is either 10 or e, right? You pop that into your calculator and you're going to get, I'm seeing on my one, 0.683. Now if we're going to do it over now, we're going to use base e, right? So this could be written as, remember ln is base e, right? So ln 3 over ln 5. If you pop down to the calculator, okay, I'm seeing here, you will get the same answer, right? So it's either this or this, right? And you can get the same answer. Again, like I said, you could put any number there, right? But the safer ones would be 10. So let me just show you something. So we're going with the same question, what it was. It's L log of, we could have also changed that up. Okay. We could have also written whatever base you want here. So I'm just making up a number, right? Let's say 6. Right? But then when you have to actually work out this, the calculator wouldn't give you this. If your calculator giving you this, you're supposed to have a non-programmable calculator. If it's giving you this, it's a programmable calculator, right? So you're not really supposed to be using that one, right? So that's why we use 10 or e, because our calculators could use it. All right, so we're gonna work out this one now. So either ln or log, anyone you want. So you could put pop that in your calculator. What did I get in my calculator? Let's see. Okay, so I am getting 2.585, right? So you could work it out like that, or you could use ln, and we get the same answer, right? So what you could do, work it back out on your calculator and see if you get the same answer.